What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. GoPro will introduce this new 360 degree camera Max 2. The GoPro Max 2 is the highly anti-theft successor to the original GoPro Max, a 360 degree camera that launched in 2019. After years of development, GoPro has been teasing its release, key features and improvements, while official specifications are still under wraps. The biggest upgrade is the move to 8K 360 degree video recording. This would be a major leap from the 5.3K of the original and would put it on par with its main competitors. The cameras from Factors appear similar. It shows a more satellite lens placement and a fine heat sink on the front, suggesting it's built to handle more intensive processing without overheating. One of the most talked about the potential features is the ability to easily replace damaged lenses without special tools. This would be a huge advantage for an action camera and a direct jab at competitors. Expect enhancement camera stabilization and improvement to quick app, including new features like AI-powered object tracking and camera effects for more dynamic editing. The new Max 2 is expected to have the classic GoPro folding fingers mount, but also include a 1-on-4-inch screw thread, making it compatible with a wider range of accessories. Performance and competition. The Max 2 enters a crowded and competitive market. The original Max, while popular, has been outmatched by newer cameras from Insta360s. Its success will likely depend on combination of the hardware, ease of use through the quick app. The GoPro Max 2 has the potential to be a game changer for GoPro in the 360 degree space, but it has a lot to prove. If it can deliver on the promised 8K video, durable design with replaceable lenses, and a refined user experience, it could reclaim its spot as a top choice for creators. That's all for now. Guys, subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks.